Hello everyone, welcome to the Xoro guide for receiving your ASN. In this guide, we're going to walk through how to receive an ASN. So first thing you can do is go to the Receive ASN screen. So I've already created an ASN here, and just as a reminder, only once you close your ASN, at that point the inventory will be live and an item receipt will be generated. So you can search for your ASN using the filter tools above. Once you have it pulled up, just select it here. It's going to pull all the lines for the ASN below, and basically we can start receiving the lines. So this first line here, the ASN quantity is 12. Let's say I received 10 in actuality. So I can just do this and close this. And so I've actually received this. If I need to change a line, I can just click on this X. And actually before that, I can even see the received quantity here is now 10 and the remaining is 2. So I can receive the remaining 2 as well. You can see now the received quantity is completely 12, just like the ASN quantity. The remaining quantity is now 0. I can undo all of that as well by deleting all of this. Basically just delete anything that I've received, and that'll undo any of the received lines. You can batch receive ASN lines as well. So what you can do is actually click on this. So I can select lines. Let's say I want to receive these two, and receive ASN selected lines. Select a location, click confirm, click OK. And the lines that I selected, it's actually going to receive them in full automatically. So if you don't want to go through line by line, and typically if you're connected with a 3PL, you probably have a virtual location set up, and it's just one virtual location. So that's basically where you're receiving and shipping everything out of that location. In that case, it's probably just going to be easier for you to just receive everything in batch. So let's do that. You can see now everything's been received. I did it quickly just with the batch feature. And now all I have to do is close the ASN. Before that, if you're actually running a warehouse, in order to print the ASN, you can just click on the print ASN document, and it'll actually print off the ASN here for you. So this is the document you can actually receive that you can use for receiving. And you can mark off the units that you received, come back to this receive ASN screen and actually close it out. So now that everything's been received, I can close the ASN. So I can hit close, click OK, and now it's going to give me an item receipt number. So the inventory is actually live and the item receipt's been created.